Hey, what's up? Back to working on the small block today. Gonna take some of this material off, and finally just getting out here to do this. Been pretty busy doing other stuff, and it's raining again. It's supposed to rain a little bit this week, so I think the plans for the week are gonna be trying to get some of this done, trying to get some of the Mustang done. And get some painting done. It's perfect weather for that. So I'm trying to get some paint work done on the Mustang. Trying to get some work done on my block. And pretty soon I'm gonna end up pulling the cover off the Chevelle. Start getting the engine bay cleaned up and ready. I'm trying to get this block assembled. Short block done. So we're gonna start taking some of this material off of here. I gotta have 60 thousandths clearance. So we'll start with some of the spots that I already marked. Start grinding away some of it. Never done this before, so I'm gonna take my time. Try not to screw anything up. I think we'll be all right. End. Okay, I gotta change the end. Wrong end. See, I took a lot of material here. Not too much, but so cleaned it up here for the rod, so the rod doesn't connect here. Started doing this one, so I'm gonna hit all the spots that I marked. I got them all over the place. I got some here. So I'm gonna I gotta have 60 thousandths clearance, like I said before. So I'm gonna take some material off. I'll put the crankshaft back in, put the rod back on it, we'll rotate it, check for clearance. But so I started doing this one, taking more material off, just a little bit, try to match it to that. We should have plenty. So keep going. So we got this one done. Came out pretty decent. We started doing this here in the bottom of the cylinder. Got to do these over here. Another one there on the bottom. So we got the pan rail done pretty good. I mean, it looks good. So keep going. bad. So now put the crank back in it, the rod back on it, and see. Check for our clearance. Make sure we got enough. So we're going on that. All right, put the crank in. Put the rod. Use the rod, spun it. We got a couple spots I gotta keep going on. Take a little more material off. Another spot I want to take more material off because it just looks way too close. And so I'm gonna pull the crank back out and get back at it. All right, so took more material off. Just put the crankshaft back in. Checked it again. So I'm gonna take a little more material off on one side. Marked all my spots. So I'm gonna take just a little more material off to make sure I got plenty of clearance. And after that, I can start checking bearing clearances and hopefully start assembling. I gotta rewash the block, make sure I got all the stuff out of there. But after this, we should be good to put this thing together pretty soon. So yeah, so I marked all my spots here. So I'm gonna take a little more off here, there. So after that, I think we should be good. We're very close. I just want to make sure I got plenty of material removed. Yeah, we should be in pretty good shape now. Took more material. So I just cleaned the block with some brake clean to get rid of all the metal dust. All right, so I gotta get some. Gotta go get some more brake clean. Some more. I need some plastic gauge so I can measure bearing clearances, and I'll probably have another video up this week to start assembling it. It's definitely time. Trying to get my Chevelle going. I gotta evict some Hornets out of my from where my front headlight assembly is. So we'll get that done this week too. Yeah, so the block's ready for clearance. We got enough clearance here. So I'm gonna work on it again during the week. I'll make another video, start doing bearing clearances and assembly. All right.